Dispatch 3's in room 1. District 4.
P3, you're responding. On the area of 371 Simsbury Road, a report of smoke in the area. Resident said strong as coming in the windows into the home. Cross streets over Farm Road and Harbor Boulevard. You have a hydrant, Simsbury Road, the corner of Over Farm Road.